Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. This time around, I'm going to be showing you several of the tips and tricks I've accumulated over the last several years teaching and customizing Bluebeam Revu. Next, we'll go to the Layer tab. I'm going to close this one. And I'm going to open up a different document over here, my snagging list, and I'm going to show you layers. So in our layers panel over here, you can see that I've got different layers for each of the different disciplines. I have plumbing, mechanical, and so on. So those markups will turn off and on. Up here at the top of the panel, you can create layer configurations. So if you want to see just the mechanical, I've got it set up and saved that it will only show me the mechanical. I can switch to see only the structural and so on. So you can create those and save those right here at the top. Makes it nice for hiding things and showing what you want to see. Okay, let's jump over to the tool chest over here. Some different things I want to show you here. Close the markups list. We don't need that. There's a couple of different ways that you can see our tool chest. So right now it's in detail mode. So it's showing me all the details of the markup, the icon, the subject, the comment. If I pull this out a little further, you'll see the label as well. Once you get to know what these tools look like, you might click on the gear and go to symbol view. That's going to get rid of all the information behind it and actually show you just the symbol. So again, once you get to know what those tools look like, you can select that symbol view and then just go in and grab these tools. Okay, if I look at some of these other ones, estimating basics, I can leave these closed even. And with this little arrow here, I can click on that and it's going to give me a symbol for all the tools that are in there. I don't even have to open that tool set to see those. It's right in there. And then another trick, if you've got a lot of tool sets and things like that, you can actually pin them to a toolbar. So if I come down here, go to pin, and let's just say I'm going to pin it to my edit toolbar, which is up here. You can see now that I've got a tool chest button up here, and all of those tools within that tool set are in my toolbar now. So I can start to reduce what I see on my screen. If I want to get rid of that left side panel, I can start to do that with these. That's another great tip. And that should bring us right up to the end. I hope you've captured some good notes with these time-saving tips and tricks you can apply immediately to your workflows this afternoon. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.